Math Patrol is a Netflix original TV show that features new lesson every week. It aims to help senior high school students with their general mathematics subject. So, are you ready to learn with us here in Math Patrol? For today's episode, our lesson for today is all about rational function. Let us define now a rational function. A rational function is a function that is the ratio of polynomials, and a function of one variable x is called a rational function. It can be represented as f of x is equals to p of x over q of x, where p of x and q of x are polynomials such that q of x is not equals to 0. So here is an example of a rational function in a real-life situation. The national government unit allotted a budget of 200,000 for cash allowance for college students. The allotted budget will be divided equally to all of the college students. Write an equation that shows the relationship of the allotted amount of budget per college student, represented by f of x. To solve f of x is equals to 200,000 over x. X is the number of college students. Number of college students is 10, then the allocated amount per student is 20,000. If there are 20 college students, then the allocated amount per student is 10,000. If there are 50 college students, the allocated amount per student is 4,000. While if there are 100 college students, the allocated amount per student is 2,000. Here is the graph of our rational function example. And that concludes our first episode for Math Patrol. We hope you learned something about rational function. This has been your learning partner for today's episode. I am Junior Yumong Luz, your Math Patrol host. Riel Ann Manapsal for Math Patrol researcher. And Eunice Cordova as a cast for this episode. Thank you for watching Math Patrol. See you in our next episode.